Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the PC ready. Install Zadig or Vi GM Bus so Cemu can accept emulated Wii U controllers, because without drivers, the controller won't register. Enable a compatible Bluetooth adapter and make sure Windows recognizes it. That gives you the radio needed to pair. Once done, place Wiimote hook or the Cemu input plugin into the Cemu folder so the emulator can translate input. Do these steps first to avoid wasted time later when pairing and mapping controls. Next, you pair and configure. Open Cemu and select Input right arrow emulated Wiimotes so the emulator is listening. Run Wiimote hook and pair your Wii remote using Windows Bluetooth pairing or connect through a Dolphin bar or USB adapter. This matters because different hardware exposes different features like IR. After pairing, map buttons and enable motion and IR calibration inside the plugin. You do this to ensure gestures and pointer movement replicate the original Wii experience accurately. Test inputs until they respond predictably. Finally, save your controller profile in Cemu and assign it to the correct player slot so the emulator remembers your settings. This prevents reconfiguration each session. Launch a simple Wii or Wii U title and test motion, buttons, and Adjust calibration and dead zones for smooth tracking. If things go wrong, restart the Bluetooth service, reconnect the controller, or reinstall drivers. Alternatively, switch to emulated input mode to isolate hardware issues. That troubleshooting step usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.